news of a terrible disaster coming from Delhi, where 3 young lives were lost because the water entered the basement where they were studying in the library. This can't be a natural disaster. This is a man-made disaster, a man-made tragedy. These students had come from far-off states to prepare for competitive exams in Delhi. There are various coaching centers in Delhi, as we all know. But what is the system of filtering out illegal structures from legal structures? Are these structures which are housing these students and the coaching centers, are they legal? Is the MCD looking into these aspects? What about the drainage system of Delhi, the sewerage system of Delhi? All these questions plague these controversies around these deaths. Last week we heard a student losing his life because there was a live wire on the gate which he touched and lost his life. People send their children to Delhi so that these children can build a good future for themselves, because Delhi is a land of opportunities. But is this how we treat our young people who come to Delhi? Is this how the capital city should be like? So insensitive. Action has to be taken, accountability has to be fixed, and Delhi cannot be seen as such an insensitive city.